Hi guys, it's Kelly here. This is Kelly's Little One's Nursery. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Before we get started on this video, um, I am gonna ask you to feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet. It is 100% free. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any notifications from me. And don't forget to comment down below. So I'm going to do a quick video for you. This is another food review video on some Skinny Pop popcorn. It is 100 calories, one serving per package, and it is it is non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, preservative-free, and no artificial flavors. So I got some of this from Dialysis to try. They were having a display today just talking about the different type a different type of dialysis, in-home dialysis. They have little cups of grapes and some Skinny Pop and some sugar-free candy. I haven't opened this yet. I've seen this stuff on store shelves, but I never tried it because this is probably not my cup of tea. This is more of a healthier style popcorn, obviously. That's why I waited to open this up. I could share it with you guys. Nope. Oh, it doesn't smell half bad. Well, this is how, as usual, about this much air and about this much popcorn. That up a little bit. And I have my chair back so I can be more in the frame a little bit. So that's what it looks like. Just some regular popcorn. Yeah, this is bland. No wonder they call it Skinny Pop. Very light flavored and extremely light. If you're watching your calories or your diet, or even if you can't have gluten or peanuts or anything like that, you can have this kind. It's okay, but just like I suspected, it's not my cup of tea or my kind of popcorn. But I know you guys like these food reviews. I haven't done a food review in a while, so if any of you are watching your calories or you can't have any kind of dairy or peanuts or your let's say your have what's that called? Um celiac disease. this would be the kind of popcorn for you because, as I said, it is gluten-free, non-GMO, dairy-free, peanut-free, um, tree nut-free, no artificial flavors and no preservatives. And it's only 100 calories. And it even says right here on the bottom. See, 100 calories, non-GMO, gluten-free, and no artificial flavors. So that is my food review. That's what this is. It's called Skinny Pop, but of course it's dialysis for those of us like myself on dialysis. We have to watch our salt intake, and as with popcorn, you know, as with popcorn, you know, butter has salt in it, and so this would be a good idea for us. But me personally, I'd either get the extra butter microwave popcorn, or I'll just get popcorn seeds and put it on the stove and put my own butter on it. But if you're on a diet and you have celiac disease and you can't have gluten, or you're watching your non-GMO and you have a nut allergy, go grab this. I'm sure you can find this on any of your snack shelves at any of your stores. So that is it for this video. Hope you like, subscribe, and share. And I know you guys don't mind these food reviews. So thank you so much for watching. And as always, be blessed and be a blessing. Bye, guys.